Have you seen those emotional songs on YouTube and all over X and all that stuff of the guy, the guy's wife thinks that he forgot it was their anniversary and that he didn't get her anything, and then next thing you know, there's this heartwarming song being played, and she finally realizes it, and she breaks down. I wanted to show you how easy these are to make. The way I do it, and there's a million ways to do everything, but I have been using Suno, Suno. With Suno, they have a free tier. I'm not here to explain all the pricing with Suno and all that. You just go check it out, Suno.com. They have a free tier that will allow you to test this thing. Uh, I do know because I did get the subscription, $10 a month to write 500 songs, which are fully monetized for streaming. Put it whatever you want to do with them. There's no copyright on that, which is good. The other thing, the way I read the terms and conditions is that you can, even if you unsubscribe, any song that you made while you were subscribed is still fully monetizable. See what I'm saying? So, I mean, that's a great deal. So, anyway, back to let's make a song. So, I just pulled up Chat GPT, use whatever you want. But the key here is let's say let's write a song about Susie, right? So, I'm going to say, write Suno ready lyrics. And then let's talk about Susie. Susie is a great wife, been married for 10 years. She is the best with the kids. And I'm purposely not putting a lot in here, right? I want you to see the fact that you don't have to have much to write a song. Make it emotional. Boom, that's it. And there you go. I mean that quick there's the song. 10 years have come and 10 years have come and 10 years have gone, but your hand's still the one I'm holding on. Through quiet mornings and long hard nights, you filled our little world with light and so on. So super easy. So I'm going to copy that. It's the whole song that quick from just basically nothing, right? So next, I just need to tell it that I need a style. Right. Suno. I know you can't see me typing, but I'm just typing in the type box. Write Suno ready style about this song. There you can see what I did. And there you go. I mean, just from that simple little input, don't get me wrong, you can go really deep on these, to force it to do what you want to do. But I'm showing you how easy it is to do with little effort. Emotional country ballad with modern country pop production, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's take and grab our um song. Okay, so now we're over in Suno. So let me get rid of the stuff that I already had in here. Okay, so I'm just going to paste in this lyrics tab. I just paste in the lyrics, and then we need to go back to let me grab the style. Okay, so I just paste in the style, and that's it. Now they do have a way to customize these responses based off the feedback that you give it. This little personalized style prompt button here. But either way, just go with what the AI gave you, and then you just hit create. All right, I had to put on my headphones here so I could hear the song. All right, so what it does, it always makes two versions of the song, and one thing you do have to be careful of is right here on this version. I'm on version V 4.5. That uses the less amount of credits, so you got to be careful on that. Make sure you especially if you're testing or even if you're on the paid subscription. I don't know all the advantages of upping the version number. I'm sure there are advantages, but it uses more credits. So I've been using version V point 4.5. All right, here we go. 10 beautiful years. Here's our first version. Let's take a quick look. And by the way, if I click right on the song itself, I get the lyrics for the song. which you can't see. I got them off screen, but there's a way to look at the lyrics. You just click on the song, the lyrics pop up on the right. Let's listen.
10 years have come and 10 years have gone, but your hand's still the one I'm holding on. Through quiet mornings and long hard nights, you filled our little world with light. You never asked for a standing ovation, just gave your heart with endless patience. The little things you do each day have built a love that never
Here comes
fades.
the free
You make a
chorus.
house become a home, no one around you feels
Chorus coming
alone.
up.
Susie, you're the heartbeat of this life, my best friend, my forever wife. 10 years later, I'd choose you again 1,000 times.
I mean, come on. I mean, you see what I'm saying? Very little input needs to go in to make a great song. Let's listen just a little bit to the second version. It always makes two versions.
10 years have come and 10 years have gone, but your hand's still the one I'm holding on. Through quiet mornings and long hard nights, you filled our little.
All right. So anyway, you get the idea there, right? So super easy to do. I'm not going to get into great depth on all the other stuff that can be done in Suno. There's a lot. That's not what this video is about. This is just about to show you how quickly you can make a song. And if you just want to make a song for, you know, your wife or your girlfriend or whatever, you know, you're not worried about monetization of a stream or something. You don't have to be on the paid version. Just go sign up, and you know they give you X amount of credits to make some free songs. So let me know how it works out. If you want some more detail, if you want another video with more details on how to modify, update, tweak a Suno, let me know in the comments below. If you made it this far, appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.